Hey Internet, this is the code for the lab buttons and LED where you control the fan speed. So, disclaimers, the code has been uploaded to Turnitin. Also, the professor makes custom labs, midterms and exams. So this will be similar, but it won't be the same. Alright, so like and subscribe. Share with your friends, they're gonna need it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. The code is in the pinned comment once again and on GitHub, so you can grab it from there, or you can just pause the video and type it out manually if you want to. Until next time, see ya.